I request to host please remove the banner. Host, please start the countdown and recording also.
Okay, sir. Five, four, three, two, one. We are now live.
Dear shareholder, good morning and warm welcome to you all at the 57th annual general meeting of the Somany Ceramics Limited, being held through video conferencing facility. As a reminder for smooth conduct of the meeting, the speaker shareholder will be in a mute mode. Their audio and video will be open when they will be allowed to speak as a pre-registration. Once the Q&A session will start, we will announce the name of the shareholder as a speaker shareholder one by one. Speaker shareholder thereafter will be mute by the host. While speaking, speaker shareholder are requested to click the video on button. In case the shareholder is not able to join through video mode, he or she can use the audio mode. While speaking, we request the speaker shareholder to use the earphone so that they are clearly audible. To minimize any noise in the background, ensure that Wi-Fi is not connected to any other device and no other application in the background is running. If there is any connectivity problem at the speaker's end, we would ask the next speaker to join. Once the connectivity improves, the speaker shareholder will be called to speak later. We would like to request the speaker shareholder to kindly limit their speech to 3 minutes each due to time limitation. Now I hand over the proceeding to Mr. Anuj Kalia, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of Somany Ceramics Limited. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Pravesh. I welcome all the directors attending this virtual AGM. I now request the directors present in the meeting to introduce themselves. Mr. Shrikant Somany.
I'm Shrikant Somany, PMG of our company. I'm attending this AGM from our office. I have received everything and good morning to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Abhishek Somany.
Good morning, everyone. This is Abhishek Somany. Joining the meeting, I'm the Managing Director and CEO of Somany Ceramics. I'm joining the AGM from our corporate office. I'm the Chairman of the Corporate CSR Committee, the Risk Management Committee, and also the Share Transfer Committee and Company Administrative Committee of the board. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Rameshwar Singh Thakur.
I am Rameshwar Singh Thakur. I am attending this AGM from my residence in Jamshedpur. I am an independent director on the board of Somany Ceramics and chairman of the audit committee and chairman of the nomination and remunerations committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Mrs. Rumchum Chatterjee.
Good morning, everyone. This is Rumchum Chatterjee, non-executive independent director, joining the AGM from my home in Gurgaon. I am a member of the Corporate Social Responsibility Committee, Company Administrative Committee, and the Share Transfer Committee. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Ghanshyam Girdharbhai Trivedi.
This is Ghanshyam Trivedi, non-independent director, attending this meeting from my residence at Ahmedabad. I am a member of the Audit Committee, CSR Committee, Share Transfer Committee, and other committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Manit Rastogi.
Good morning. I'm Manit Rastogi, Independent Director. I'm attending this AGM from my office in Delhi. I'm a member of the Audit Committee and I'm a member of the Remuneration Committee. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Zubair Ahmed.
Okay, you can hear me now?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Good morning, everyone. This is Zubair Ahmed, Non-Executive Independent Director, joining this AGM from my home in Goa. I'm a member of the Stakeholder Relationship Committee of the Board. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to inform that Mr. Vineet Agawan, Independent Director, could not join this meeting due to his preoccupation. I confirm that based on the members already joined, the requisite quorum for the meeting is present. I would like to inform the members that registers and documents referred in the notice are available for inspection during the meeting through the link appearing on CDSL website. You may access the same using your login ID. Since there is no physical presence of members in this AGM, the facility for appointment of proxy is not available. The notice of AGM was sent to all the shareholders whose email IDs are registered with the company, RTA, or depository participant. I understand that you must have all received it by now and read it by now. Accordingly, with the permission of Chairman, the notice of meeting is taken as read. I would also like to inform that there is no qualification or adverse remark in the audit report issued by the statutory auditors over financial statements and also in the secretarial audit report issued by the secretarial auditors over the secretarial compliances. I also confirm that the representatives of statutory auditors and secretarial auditors are participating in this AGM through virtual mode. As mentioned in the notice of AGM, option for casting vote through remote e-voting facility was given to all the persons who were members of the company as on 11 September 2025. The remote e-voting facility was open from 14 September 2025 to 17 September 2025. Those members who did not cast their vote through remote e-voting facility can cast their vote by e-voting during the meeting. Since the AGM is being held through video conference or other audio-visual means, and the resolutions mentioned in the notice convening this annual general meeting have already been put to vote through remote e-voting, there will be no proposing and seconding of the resolutions. Mr. Akshit Kumar Jangir, partner, Pincha and company secretaries, have been appointed as scrutinizer for the entire voting process. He will present his report to the chairman, and after approval of the chairman, the results of the voting will be declared as per the statutory time limits. An intimation to this effect shall be given to the stock exchanges and will also be posted on the website of the company and CDFL. I would now request Honorable Chairman to kindly address the members. Thank you.
Thank you. Dear shareholders and friends, it is my privilege to welcome you all to the 57th annual meeting of our company. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our shareholders, customers, vendors, and most importantly, our employees. Your unwavering trust, support, and commitment have enabled us to navigate yet another challenging year with resilience and determination. The financial year 24-25 was marked by significant transition for both the ceramics industry and your company. Muted domestic demand, prolonged election cycles, global volatility, and pricing pressures in the Morbi belt created headwinds. Yet, guided by strategic clarity and operational discipline, Somany delivered a revenue of 2,643 crores, a growth of 2.6% over the previous year. Our EBITDA stood at 221 crores, while profit after tax closed at 60 crores, reflecting industry-wide challenges, but underscoring our strong fundamentals and prudent financial management. Our manufacturing footprint of 9 plants along with outsourcing tie-ups gives us annual access to 75 million square meters of tile capacity with 0.48 million pieces of sanitary ware and 1.3 million pieces of bath fittings, supported by a strong distribution network of 2,880 active dealers and 514 showrooms. With a growing presence of 46 international markets, we have acquired a majority stake in the Durabuild Care Private Limited to strengthen our construction chemicals business and widen the product offerings. Sustainability and responsibility remain cornerstones of our journey. We invested in renewable energy and zero liquid discharge systems while embedding water-saving technologies and responsible waste management across operations. These steps have further strengthened our plants at Kadi and Kasar as a sustainable manufacturing facilities. On the innovation front, our Max plant, along with design-led products such as the VC Shield and Temp Shield tiles, have strengthened our reputation for technological leadership and durables solutions. Recognition as a Super Brand Award for second consecutive year for the VC Shield tiles and certification as a great place to work highlight both our market leadership and employees first approach. We have also deepened our social impact. Our 2.54 crores was invested in CSR initiatives spanning healthcare, education, skill development, biodiversity, and sanitation. These efforts reflect our belief that true growth must also uplift communities. The board has recommended a final dividend of ₹3 per equity share, maintaining our consistent record of rewarding shareholders while ensuring prudent fiscal stewardship. As we look ahead with rising real estate completions involving urban aspirations and stabilizing global trade, we believe Somany is well positioned to seize new opportunities and shape a stronger future. Our path forward will be defined by innovation, sustainability, and resilience, ensuring steady growth in both top line and bottom line, while staying true to our roots, Zameen se Jude. On behalf of the board, I thank each of you once again for your continued trust and support. Together, we will continue to craft value, cement trust, and build a sustainable tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now we will invite speaker shareholders to express their views or ask queries. In the interest of time, we request each individual speaker shareholder to limit their questions and views to a maximum of 3 minutes each. Now, I would request Ms. Lily Pradhan to ask the question, please.
Sir, currently not available in this meeting.
I would request Mr. Prabjot Singh Sahni to ask the question, please.
Currently not available, sir, in this meeting.
I request Mr. Praveen Kumar to ask the question, please.
Currently not available, sir.
I would request Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta to ask the question, please.
Not available, sir.
I would request Mr. Yashpal Chopra to ask the question, please.
Currently not available, sir.
I would request Mr. Rajat Bansal to ask the question, please.
He is available, sir.
Good morning, all. My question is, when will the increase in dividend is expected? When will the increase in dividend be expected, as there is no change in dividend payout from last 3-4 years?
Thank you, Mr. Rajat. Yes, we have heard your question. We'll get back to the answer at the end of all the shareholders. Now I request Mr. Gagan Kumar to ask the question, please.
Gagan Kumar is not available, sir.
I would request Mr. Ankit Agarwal to ask the question, please.
Not available, sir.
I would request Mr. Nitin Rajput to ask the question, please.
He is available, sir.
Okay.
Nitin ji, please.
Mr. Nitin, please ask your query.
Yes, Nitin, you're audible. Mr. Nitin, you're audible.
Yeah. Good morning, all. Why there is decline in PAT for financial year 24-25 compared to financial year 23-24?
Thank you, Nitin. Thank you, Mr. Nitin. Now I would request Mr. K.L. Chadha to ask the question, please.
He is not available, sir.
I would request Mr. Abhishek Somany, the Managing Director and CEO of the company, to answer the queries raised by the shareholders.
Thank you so much, first of all, for attending the meeting. To the first question, which is about dividend. The dividend policy has always been consistent, and as and when there is free cash flow in the system, we reward the shareholder. If you remember, last year we did a buyback, and this year has been a slightly muted year, and therefore we maintained the dividend. As and when we have in our coffers, in our treasury, more money, there will be clearly a policy to reward shareholders. So every now and then, if you see, we have been increasing dividend. For the last 10 years, it's been a steady rise. And last year we did a large share buyback. So that's the answer for the first one. For the second one was decline in profit for the last year versus last year. This is basically because of underutilized capacity. As you know, we have expanded capacity almost to the tune of 550 crore rupees in the last 36 months. That was unutilized with the muted demand across the industry, across the building material sector, which is the finishing material, be it tiles, sanitary ware, bath fittings, and various other products. Across the board, there's been a muted demand. And we have continuous process plants, so shutting down a plant has a major impact on profitability. Yet we were able to maintain our growth by about 3.6%. This year, again, we are maintaining growth. If you see in the first quarter, there has been again less capacity utilization, but we feel that now the markets are turning, and the next 6 months should be much better. So hoping for a much better year this year, and if that happens, then the profit will start rising once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. All the members who have joined the meeting and have not cast their vote through remote e-voting or through e-voting during the proceeding of this AGM can cast their vote now. The voting will be closed after 15 minutes from the conclusion of this AGM. I request the Honorable Chairman to conclude the meeting.
Thank you, shareholders and participants, for joining AGM. Now I announce a closure of the 57th AGM.
Thank you. We can all log on.